TE Connectivity introduced the innovative MicroSIM push-push connector. At only 1.27 millimeters, its compact super slim design is 50% smaller. Its smooth push-push function with SIM card anti-misinsertion design. Only card insertion in the right direction results in the right connection, but misinsertion will not affect or damage the SIM connector. The innovative dual contact pin feature showed excellent results in drop tests. Its creative design cushions the SIM card and effectively prevents it from bouncing out of the slot. Besides the MicroSIM push-push connector, we also have a complete line of SIM card connectors. We are committed to producing high-performance SIM card connectors to meet your product's design specifications precisely. Each and every one of the thousands of high-quality connectors that roll off our production lines every day are carefully worked up, rigorously tested, and thoroughly examined. No matter where the SIM card is applied, mobile phones, smartphones, tablets, ultrabooks, PCs, data cards, personal GPS modules, or servers, we deliver the highest quality and the best performance.